Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot connect to App Store in iPhone. So guys, if you are using any iPhone and when you have opened your App Store facing the issue that cannot connect, so guys, as you can see here, when I am going to open my App Store, then facing this issue that your iPhone is not connected to internet, to connect, turn off airplane mode. So guys, simply first of all you need to turn it off your airplane mode, and guys, after this we will see that our problem has been fixed or not. So guys, now you can see here. So guys, when I am going to back, and guys, now I am open again, then guys, facing this issue again and again, this means you have not connected with internet. So guys, simply first of all you need to connect an internet connection on your iPhone. Then guys, you will be able to fix all the problems related to cannot connect your App Store. So guys, after this you need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see I have connected with Wi-Fi. So guys, now I am going to open my App Store. Now you can see App Store has been working fine. So guys, simply you need to go back. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys, maybe there is network problem. So guys, how can you fix this? You need to open your settings, scroll it down, click on general, and guys, you need to scroll it down, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and guys, you need to reset your network settings. And guys, after this you need to check any VPN connection. So guys, if you have connected with any VPN, then guys, you need to disconnect your VPN, and guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.